Good morning, friends. How are you? I think you are very nice. Okay. Today I am telling you an interesting story Bunty and the Bottle of Toffees. On a New Year day, Bunty went with his mother to a rich lady's house. The rich lady was his mother's friend. The two ladies embraced and wished a happy new year to each other. Bunty bowed down to the lady and received her blessings. The lady put a bottle of toffees before Bunty and said, Bunty, have as many toffees as you please. Bunty's eyes gleamed with joy. He put his hand into the bottle and filled his first with as many toffees as his fist could hold. Now the feast filled with the toffees was much bigger than the narrow mouth of the bottle. So, Bunty could not take out his hand from the bottle even though he tried hard. He pushed and pulled the bottle with his free hand. He turned the bottle right and left. Bunty's wrestling with the bottle amused the two ladies. After some time, his mother said, Bunty, don't act silly. Just open your face and let a few toffees go. If you do so, you can easily pull out your hand. Bunty followed her advice and pulled out his hand. Do not try to grab too much at a time. Now, the horse and the man. Once a horse went to a man and said, Please help me. A tiger has come in the jungle and he wants to kill me. The man said, Don't worry, my friend. The tiger can cause you no harm. I will protect you from the tiger. The horse said, Thank you. The man said, But then you should do what I tell you to do. The horse said, What do you want me to do? The man said, You must allow me to put a saddle on your back and a bridle in your mouth. The horse said, Please do whatever you like, but you must protect me from the tiger. The man saddled the horse. He put a bridle in his mouth. Then he mounted the horse and drove it to his stable. The man said to the horse, You can stay safely here in my stable. Whenever I take you out of the stable, I will ride on your back. The tiger can cause you no harm when I am with you. The man then shut the stable door and walked away. When the horse was alone in the stable, he thought, I am safe here, but I am not free anymore. I have purchased my safety, but have lost my freedom. It is a bad bargain, but I am helpless now. Friends, now I am telling you another story. That is the king and the spider. A king had fought bravely, but his army was small. The large army of his enemy defeated his small army. He had to run away to save his life. He took shelter in a cave in a jungle. His enemies were looking for him. They wanted to kill him. He was very sad at heart. His courage had left him. Friends, one day the king was lying idly in the cave. A little spider drew his attention. It was trying hard to wave a wave across the ceiling. As it was crawling off the wall, the thread of the wave broke and it fell down to the ground. This happened several times, but he did not give up. It tried again and again. At last, it climbed up the ceiling successfully and completed the wave. The king thought, "This tiny creature did not give up. How could I give up? I am a king. I must try again." And he decided to fight his enemy once again. The king went out of the jungle and met his faithful followers. He collected the brave men of his kingdom and raised a strong army. He fought against his enemy with all his might. Friends, at last he won the battle. He got back his kingdom. He always remembered the spider who had taught him a lesson. Success comes to those who fight hard against failures. Friends, very nice and very important for us. Friends, how you are enjoying my channel? If you are enjoying, like, share, comments and subscribe. Please don't forget to click the bell button.